To change your ringtones so you can personalize them, if you go up to your ID and then to the dot 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 right to the left of it and click on settings, a new pop-up comes up. When you scroll down and go to calls, you have the ability to edit your ringtones. So when you have calls that are yours, it can sound like that, or you can change it back to the default. Forwarded calls, again, you can change what you want it to be. Delegated calls, change. This way you can tell by the sound of the call what it is, so you know when you're answering it.